Mohammed Khamis is my name. Currently work at Kenya Red Cross as a truck operator at the logistics. I've been working Kenya Red Cross Society for 17 years now, supporting in logistics during response. I do this job because I love humanitarian work. It brings me much joy to see the impact put in one's life. During this COVID-19 response, I've done many food distributions to different communities, hence I lack fear to finish this job given. It's all about alleviating human suffering, especially with disabled persons. As an operator, it goes beyond what I do. I helped volunteers handing out food stuff to the different disabled persons. It's important that we love one another, especially in the understanding that we are all the same.